The Denver metro area comprises various neighborhoods, each with its own unique characteristics and amenities. When looking to buy, sell, or invest, it's important to have all the information so that you can make the right decision for you, your family, and your finances. The best place to start is with a realtor who can give you the opportunity to discuss your wants versus needs while also staying within your price range.
Denver's market is amazing. We have so many different communities, so many different neighborhoods. Most of them are based around parks. In 18 years, I really have run the full gamut when it comes to residential real estate.
Park Realty and Property Management is a full-service real estate and residential management company that can help you buy, sell, invest, and rent your properties.
Get qualified, speak with a lender. If you already have a real estate agent, they're more than happy to give you names and numbers of lenders that you can work with, preferably somebody local. That's very important in this market. We do want a local lender that you're working with. From there, choose a realtor. They are held to a higher code of ethics because you're going to communicate with that person about every feature, every want, every need. Start off on the lower end. See if there's anything that matches what you're looking for. Everything can be improved. You can always paint, you can recarpet, you can put in different appliances. But when it comes to maxing out your budget, you may not be able to afford that property if something major happens.
Investing in rentals can be a profitable venture, provided you partner with a management company who understands the ever-evolving landscape of rental law.
Are you going to buy a property, fix it up, and flip it? Or are you going to buy and hold and keep it as a property? What is your goal? Talk to your agent about that. That can make a huge difference when trying to find the right area to purchase a property in. You really want to make a smart investment, and you want to be prepared if you have sewer line backups, major damage that does not get covered by insurance, tenants that don't pay rent if you're an investor. When working with an investor, have your agent talk to a property manager so that you understand what the market rate for that particular property is, because you don't want to buy a property that you're underwater the first day that you close. You're never going to be able to make that up in the rents. People who have pets are traditionally longer-term tenants than those who don't have pets. Working with someone who is a licensed real estate agent and a property manager is great. It does give you an opportunity to say to the property manager, how can we encourage our tenants to stay longer? Communication is key when it comes to that.
I still reminisce about going around with Christine and looking at properties. She really knew how to move on opportunities. Christine and Park Realty have both sides experience, both in the buying and selling real estate and property and also managing them. When you find somebody like Park Realty who's really paying attention to all of those things and doing it really well, it jumps out at you. And I was lucky that I found them, and it was it was just something I'll always really be glad about.
Investing in your home is the best thing that you can do. It's more stable than the stock market, and it gives you a place to live. Everyone needs a place to live. They say date the rate, marry the home. When you purchase your home, you are going to be getting value out of it. The rate can change. It can definitely work in your advantage.
Personal service and long-term relationships are key, even with our four-legged friends.
No Kill Colorado is true and dear to my heart. It basically is a nonprofit advocacy group, and they work to save every healthy and treatable pet in Colorado. Everyone needs a house to live in, and it gives you a sense of pride. There's nothing else like it, especially when your family grows. It gives you a place to call home and create memories.
To find out more about Park Realty and Property Management, visit parkrpm.com and designingspaces.tv.